KalabawCNC vlog. Sorry I didn't post the video from yesterday, but yeah, I've just been really busy this weekend. Okay, so really crazy, awesome progress this weekend. I'm going to actually start involving you guys a little bit more in what I'm actually doing, so this is going to be really exciting. Anyways, okay, so actually I need to get a better camera. I've just been using my phone right now, and I need to be switching to another camera soon, so I'll probably be doing that, or at least including some other cameras so I can start to show you like actually what I'm doing and as I'm doing it. Really cool. All right, so I went a little crazy reverse bending all these hangers that you saw on my workbench before. I'm actually using them as, I'm going to braid them, and I'm going to use them as to suspend the oscilloscope and the lab power supply, which is going to be kind of interesting. So I'll show you a little bit on that as well. And like I said, okay, so what I was doing before was I just had a needle nose pliers like this, and I was reverse bending them, and it was just total pain in the butt. Taking way too long. So then I remembered that I did something like this a long time ago, and I remembered that I just pounded on them with a hammer and straightened them that way. And so I started doing that again, but I didn't really have something to pound on, so I just grabbed my my vice grips and I pounded on the tops of it, and it started to mess it up a little bit. And of course it's going to do that because I'm pounding on it with a hammer. So then I remembered that I had a better idea. So I just got back from Home Depot, and I got something really cool. It was like 20 bucks, and I knew this would work. Yeah, it's a big angle iron, a big heavy one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off sections of it. I have a tile saw that I can put a diamond wheel on that I already have. I have like 2 or 3 of them sitting up there, just hanging on the workbench here. So I'm going to cut off in small sections, and I can kind of sandwich them together and put them into the vice grips, and then I'll have a flat surface on top that I can pound on all I want. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll probably have some video of that once I start putting it all together. Another thing I'm going to do is, so I'm trying to be really clean, keep this workshop really clean, and I don't like to like throw sawdust and metal dust and grindings and everything everywhere. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to build a little wooden channel, and I have these neodymium magnets that are sitting over here on my fridge. I'm going to put them in the channel in little slots, and so then I can put the channel up where I'm cutting, and all my shavings will fly down the channel and get caught by the magnets. So that'll help me to kind of clean things up and not be quite so messy around here when I'm cutting. And then I can recycle the shavings. I can put them, I have a little place where I put those things. So and then that will also let me clean up a lot of my other metal stash that I have piled up here as time allows. So that way I can not have a big mess in my garage over here. It's a lot cleaner than it was, but it still needs some work. Also, I have like a bunch of wire scraps and other stuff here that's plastic covered wire. So I'm going to build a little like a single-use wooden forge that I can use to burn off all the plastic off of this stuff. Probably not the best. It's not best to burn plastic, but I got to get rid of it somehow. So, and I don't want to throw it away. It's still got some metal in there that I can use maybe someday or somehow. So I'm going to build a single-use wooden forge that I can use to just flame burn all that stuff off. That's going to be really cool. I can't wait to show you guys that. It's going to be pretty sweet. I'll probably throw the vacuum in reverse and just like plug it in there. You'll see. It's going to be freaking cool. So there's that, and then this braided wire that I'm doing, these hangers, the reverse bended hangers. I'm going to once I braid them together, I need to cover them in a plastic, and I got an interesting way of doing that, which is I bought this heat gun, and what I can do is I can just melt used Walmart bags over the braided wire, and it'll wrap it up really nice, make it really clean, and then I can use that to suspend my oscilloscope and lab power supply. So a lot of really cool stuff right now. I'll show you the single-use wooden forge when I start building that. I'm going to start putting together some pretty cool videos to show all of this stuff as it starts to come together. So I can involve you guys a little bit more and show you what's going on as it's going and as I'm building it out. Anyways, talk to you later. See ya. Bye.